Love to be baking, and my favorite thing to bake is cookies. Don't you? Comment below if you do. And look what we made, sugar cookies. Keep watching this video so you can see the rest of them. This one's my absolutely favorite. It's a Santa. Then I have a Christmas tree, very fat Christmas tree. Then we have Rudolph. Don't forget to watch this whole entire video because we have a very exciting giveaway. Let's get baking. And today we're going to be making sugar cookies because it's the holidays. All you're going to be needing is dum-dums and sugar cookies. Let's get started!
I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
First, you're going to be cutting up the sugar cookies, and we're going to do it in a snap. We cutted the cookies. You're going to be preheating the oven at 350. What you're going to be doing is you're going to take all your sugar cookies and put them on a tray, and then you're going to pick any flavor. And I love this one, the cotton candy. And Mallory, which one do you like? I'm going to choose a mystery. I always like the mysteries. I just like to find out what it is inside. Anyways, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be unwrapping your lollipop, and then you're going to take your dough and then put it right in. This is the cool thing. They are cookies on a stick. We are going to be putting these in the oven for 9 minutes. Let's get started putting them in the oven. Hey guys, this is my Christmas tree. This one's my favorite right here. My elf gave it to me. This one's my mom's favorite. Pizza. While the cookies are cooling, we are going to be making a very special treat. My mom found this sugar cookie milk at Target. Let's get started making our special milk. We're going to pour this in here. Now we're going to turn it on. Whoa, it looks like a tornado. Let's wait for that to heat up. It's ready! Now we're going to pour it in our cups. Next, I'm going to add the whipped cream. Perfect amount. Now we're going to add sprinkles. We have red, green, and gold. Now we're going to decorate our special drink. I wonder what goes with milk. I know, cookies! Cookies are cool. Do you see that sad face on there? You see it? Comment below if you can see it. Now let's get started eating. Cheers. And no. Cheers. I'm gonna eat my cookie first. It's good. Yeah, it's really good. Now I'm gonna try my drink. It is really, really good. These are really good for family and friends and giving them to other people. It's good. I'm looking at the lollipop. Really good. What a yummy treat that was. And now we're going to be talking about the giveaway. I'm going to be showing you what is going to be in our giveaway. We have the cat that is a purple to a silver. Really pretty. Then we have the Squeeze-A-Mall. And we had this last time. It was in our other video with the dog and the other shimmies too. We got 2, so that's why we're giving them away to you. So this one is really pretty. Then we have another shimmy, but in the keychain. It's a pink pig to silver like the cat. Then for the last thing is our surprise-a-mall. That's what we're going to be giving away. And comment below which one you want and how to enter will be down in the description below. Bye! Okay. First, we're going to be cutting up the jingle bells. And make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. And hit that notification bell too. Bye!